Hello everyone, it's Irina here. I'm very happy to see you, and today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe that everybody must have if you guys are suffering from ingrown hair. Well, that condition is actually easily treated at home, but the irritation it causes is something that you really don't want to happen or reoccur. So in today's video, we're preparing a wonderful exfoliator because that's the main thing you can do to treat the ingrown hair. The main exfoliating part of here will be the sugar. I'm using 1/4 cup of just granulated sugar. I have brown on hand right now, but you could use any type, just regular sugar. And we will add some oil base to it, so the scrub does not really damage our skin that much. As a moisturizing part, I am going to use sweet almond oil, but you are so welcome to use any oil you have on hand, like olive oil, coconut oil, but make sure it's not in that solid form. Maybe jojoba oil would be really wonderful choice here too, grapeseed oil, and we shall use it in the amount of 1 tablespoon. We also definitely need carrier oil because we're going to use essential oils, and it's very important to have carrier oil to dilute them. Alright, now we are adding essential oils. The star of our recipe today is tea tree oil. Actually, a little tip here, without even preparing the exfoliating base, you could use tea tree oil by itself just by adding from 10 drops to 1 ounce of tea tree essential oil to just your regular body lotion, or mix it up with the body lotion and apply it to the areas desired prior to shaving. You could also add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil to your shaving cream or gel also before application. The reason tea tree oil is so great here because it penetrates the skin surface and it helps keep the bacteria such as that from your razor blade out. So for this amount we shall need only 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. So 1, 2, and 3. The next essential oil that I'm going to use is going to be lavender. Lavender essential oil is great because it helps with minor skin irritations, and we shall need it also in the amount of 3 drops. Oh, that was pretty fast. The last essential oil I'm going to use today is the chamomile oil. This recipe would do very well either with Roman, the one I have here right now, or with German chamomile. Chamomile is great because it's also fighting and easing, I would say, the inflammation, and also 3 drops of that. And believe it or not, we are done adding all the ingredients. Now let's mix it all up. While I'm mixing it up, I'll just say that the reason this recipe is so good for ingrown hair is that because this process will remove the dry, dead skin cells on top, and it will also release the trapped hairs and encourage them to grow in the correct direction, right? And using the oil, the sweet almond oil, we shall also moisturize our skin at the same time. So it's like all in one. Usually I would not carry it with me in the shower because glass can easily break, so just as a precaution here. So the way you're going to use it, I'd say you could just take your fingerprints or a little washcloth and apply the sugar scrub to the moist skin, and then you need to rub it, but don't go crazy here. Light pressure is all you need, and circular motions. Then you will need to rinse and pat the skin dry and repeat this treatment once every other day until the symptoms subside, or continue this treatment every other day as a prevention measure. So I really hope you guys like this video. It was a very simple recipe to prepare. You could go ahead and get the essential oils if you've never actually got any because they're so versatile and you can use them for so many different things. I will have a lot more recipes where I'm going to use them. I really hope you guys like this recipe. You would definitely give it a try and you will absolutely get rid of that problem, the ingrown hair. You will be very satisfied, and of course I wish you guys to be happy, to be healthy, to love yourself every single day, every single minute of your day. Never forget about that, and I will be happy to see you in my next video.